Don't you know I lose control? Hi and welcome to the channel. Firstly, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the F sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the F sharp and the A, and the bass note of F sharp. Then the A major composed of the C sharp, the E and the A, and the bass note of A. Then the D major composed of the D, the F sharp and the A, and the bass note of D. And eventually the C sharp major composed of the C sharp, the F and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. You will find in the description box a link to access the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the chords. Let's begin by the introduction. So here's the corresponding table, and as you can see there's only the F sharp minor, and here's how you're gonna play it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So bass plus chord, and you remove the bass on the 4th beat. And you're gonna wanna play that F sharp minor the same way one more time to complete the introduction. And now here's the table for the verse, and you're gonna play the chords the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you repeat. Something's got a hold on me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Oh. And you repeat that table with the next lyric, so you're gonna play it twice for the verse. Now here's another method that you can use. So here's the same table, but this time note that you're gonna play 4 bass notes instead of 2, and it's gonna sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will need to replay a bass note on each 6th beat. Don't you know I lose control? Falling apart right in front of you, can't you see? So just repeat that table one more time with the next lyric. So whether you choose the first method or the second method, I'm pretty sure that you're gonna be able to play that song without any problem. And I will see you tomorrow for the entire song of Teddy Swims in a schematic form. Take care. Bye.